How do I check if my Gemini account is verified? Have you ever wondered how to check if your Gemini account is verified? If so, you're not alone. Many people are unsure how to check their verification status. In this video, I will show you how to check if your Gemini account is verified. I will also discuss the benefits of having a verified account. What is Gemini verification? Gemini verification is a process that allows Gemini to confirm your identity. This helps to protect your account from unauthorized access and fraud. How to check if your Gemini account is verified? There are two ways to check if your Gemini account is verified. Go to the Settings tab in your Gemini app. Click on the Verification section. If your account is verified, you will see a green checkmark next to your name. If your account is not verified, you will see a red Not Verified message. Benefits of having a verified Gemini account. There are several benefits to having a verified Gemini account, including increased security. A verified account is more secure than an unverified account. Access to more features. Verified accounts have access to more features, such as the ability to send and receive large files. Faster transactions. Verified accounts can process transactions more quickly than unverified accounts. How to verify your Gemini account. If your Gemini account is not verified, you can verify it by following these steps. Go to the Settings tab in your Gemini app. Click on the Verification section. Follow the instructions on the screen. Checking your Gemini account verification status is easy. Once you have verified your account, you can enjoy the benefits of having a more secure and functional account. If you have any problems verifying your Gemini account, you can contact Gemini support. You can also find more information about Gemini verification on the Gemini website. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, I hope this helps.